Rise of the machines. Drones enter the battlefield. Militaries around the world are increasingly using drones. These are aircraft without a pilot on board. Remotely controlled by people on the ground, drones have changed how modern militaries operate. They come in different sizes and with various capabilities, making them adaptable for many missions. Initially, drones were primarily used for surveillance. They acted as eyes in the sky, providing valuable information about enemy positions and movements. However, as technology advanced, so too did the role of drones in the military. Today, drones have become essential tools for a wide range of military operations, from intelligence gathering to conducting airstrikes. Eyes in the sky, revolutionizing military intelligence. Drones have completely changed how militaries gather information. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones can monitor vast areas from high altitudes. They remain airborne much longer than piloted aircraft, allowing for persistent surveillance of critical areas. This capability is vital for tracking enemy movements, assessing threats, and providing real-time intelligence to ground forces. For example, in Afghanistan and Iraq, drones provided crucial support to ground troops by identifying ambushes and monitoring enemy activity. The ability of drones to operate discreetly at high altitudes makes them invaluable assets for intelligence gathering, often without the enemy even knowing they are being watched. Precision strikes and the changing face of warfare. Besides surveillance, drones are now used in combat, specifically for targeted strikes. These combat drones carry missiles and bombs, allowing them to engage targets with high accuracy. The use of drones reduces the risk to soldiers, as it removes the need for piloted aircraft in potentially hostile airspace. The use of drones in warfare has, however, sparked debates about ethical concerns and the potential for collateral damage. While proponents argue that drone strikes are more precise than traditional airstrikes, critics raise concerns about civilian casualties and the legal ramifications of using lethal force remotely. Section 4. The drone dilemma: balancing advantages and challenges. Drones offer several advantages for militaries. Firstly, they are highly cost-effective compared to traditional aircraft. This is especially important in an era of shrinking defense budgets. Secondly, the reduced risk to soldiers is a major advantage, as it potentially saves lives. Drones allow militaries to conduct dangerous missions without putting pilots at risk. However, the use of drones also presents challenges. One concern is the potential for technical malfunctions or hacking, which could lead to unintended consequences. Another challenge is the ethical debate surrounding the use of unmanned systems in warfare. Questions about accountability, proportionality, and the potential for an automation arms race continue to fuel discussions about the future of drone warfare. Section 5. The future of warfare: drones on the horizon. Drones are undoubtedly transforming military operations, and their role is only likely to expand in the future. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated drones with enhanced capabilities. These might include autonomous drones capable of making their own decisions, swarms of miniature drones for overwhelming enemy defenses, and drones designed for cyber warfare. The increasing use of drones in warfare raises critical questions about the future of conflict. As artificial intelligence develops and drones become more autonomous, the line between human control and machine autonomy will become increasingly blurred. It is crucial for policymakers, military leaders and society as a whole to engage in thoughtful discussions about the ethical, legal and strategic implications of this rapidly evolving technology. The future of warfare is undoubtedly intertwined with the future of drones, and it is a future that demands careful consideration.